What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to use the Copilot AI, which is the AI module of Microsoft. It's similar in many ways to ChatGPT, however it has much more functionality. So what you want to do is to go to copilot.microsoft.com and you'll be presented with a chat here. You can chat with it with prompts similar to what you can do with ChatGPT, and you can ask it anything. And there are some advanced functionalities, like you can generate photos for free right within the chat, and you can use the notebook feature to generate like books, researches, and so much more. And you also have the ability to install some plugins. We'll go through that in a minute. Now, one thing worth noting is that in order to get the full functionality of the Copilot AI, you need to sign in with your Microsoft account. As you can see here, I'm signed in with my Microsoft account. If you are not signed in, however, you can still use the main chat functionality, but the image generation and some other features will require a sign-in. So once you sign in or not, this is the main interface right here. You can ask it anything, just like what you would on like ChatGPT. So let's, for example, ask it to I want to learn more about, for example, affiliate marketing. Okay, hit enter. And now it'll generate an answer for you. As you can see here, it gives you a detailed answer, teaching you the like basic steps of affiliate marketing and teaching you the basic like information about affiliate marketing. Of course, you can ask other questions, how to get started, ask it to elaborate and explain more in more detail. And here you can, like the chat, you can copy it, you can download it or export it, you can share it, or you can ask it to read the answer aloud. Of course, you can use your microphone instead of typing. So let's try this. I'll just use the microphone and okay, allow this time or allow on every visit. Let's allow this time. Let's delete it. Try once again. What is the best e-commerce platform?
Certainly. Choosing the right e-commerce platform is crucial for your business. Here are some top options.
I can stop the readout here. As you can see, it recognized my voice accurately and gave me a detailed answer, even with photos. So this is the chat functionality. You can always start a new topic. You can also ask it to generate photos. So for example, generate a photo of a cat riding a bicycle and wearing a black hoodie, for example, just a random image here, and it'll take some moment and it'll generate your image for you. Okay, here it generates like multiple images, and it says that the image generation is powered by DALL-E 3. And I forgot to mention that the Copilot AI uses the same engine as ChatGPT 4. So you get the latest and greatest answers, as well as a powerful AI module that can like resolve your issues and answer your questions accurately. So as you can see here, it generated some photos. You can go ahead and regenerate, and you can go to Microsoft Designer in order to have more freedom over the images generated and edit them. Now, this is one thing. Let's try a more complex image. So for example, a forest scene with blue sky and on a cloudy day, for example. Okay, enter. And it'll try creating this image for you. Now, note that you have like limited number of tokens. You cannot like generate unlimited number here. And here it generates multiple images with the prompt that you enter. Now, let's explore another functionality, is that you can upload an image and ask it about it. So I'll just upload an image here from my computer or take an image. Okay, so upload from my computer. And I'll just upload this image that I generated before using AI and ask it, for example, now the image is loaded. What is in this image. Okay. Now you can see it analyzes the image here. And as you can see here, it explains what's in the image perfectly. A character with the head of a tiger and the body of a muscular human. The character is wearing blue trousers and so it explains all the details in the photo. Now let's ask it another question. The character appears to holding a dagger or a sword. So it tells he that the chat reached its limit. So let's start a new topic and let's upload the same image here. Okay. Now okay, so I'll just upload it again in a new chat. And now I'll ask it, what is the character holding in his hands? It'll analyze the image and give me an answer. Okay, here it tells me that it does hold a katana or a Japanese sword in the right hand. Now, you can ask it, this is pretty useful. Aside from just playing around with random images, you can like upload a receipt or nutrition facts of like a label of nutrition facts for a certain food and ask it to explain it to you. Or maybe, for example, you have a prescription or a details of a blood work, and you can ask it to explain it for you. So this is pretty useful. Now, another functionality here is the notebook. Now, let's, for example, add generate an essay on the importance of protein for human body or for human health. Okay, hit enter or just submit. And as you can see, your essay is generated with all the information, titles, and everything. And it even cites like the source of the information. Here, if you click on any of the lines here, you can get to the source of information. In this case, the Medline Plus. Here, if I click, for example, on this, every cell in our body contains protein. If I want to learn more, it'll open up the actual research or the actual page from where it got the information. Let's go back. And of course, you can download the Copilot app on your phone, on Android or iPhone. Let's go back here to Copilot. And here you can see some of the images that are generated by other users. And let's try to ask it some scientific question. Let's, for example, upload a photo of a flower. Okay, so this is like a dandelion flower. And now let's ask it what type of flower this is and what is flying from it. Okay, enter. And as you can see, it'll analyze the image and give me an answer in a moment. Now, okay, this flower is indeed a dandelion. And let's wait for it to generate the full topic. And it tells me that these delicate fluffy structures are indeed the seeds that are flying out of it and called a pappus. So it gives you like accurate scientific information alongside with all the sources of knowledge here. So you can learn more about the topic right here if you want. Go ahead. And it gives you some similar questions to this if you want to ask. So if you're interested in growing your own dandelion plant here, let's ask it that and it'll generate the answer. Okay, gives you a detailed instructions on how to plant it and care for it, which is pretty good. Now, the last thing I want to show you in this video are the plugins. So you can install plugins. The search is installed by default. You have a plugin like Instacart. You can ask about recipes, meal plans, and it'll automatically get the ingredients of the recipe or the meal plan that you ask for in your cart in over 40,000 stores. You have the Kayak where you can search flights. You have the Klarna where you can search for compare prices of thousands of online stores and so much more. So here, let's back to chat. Here you have your chat history. You can go ahead and view it. And that's pretty much it. That was like a quick overview tutorial on the Copilot AI platform by Microsoft and how to use its different features. Of course, this is the basic free plan. You can also, it also like gives you videos. It can give you videos if you search for something that has a video instruction. Let's try to ask it very quickly. Give me a video of dandelion flower. Okay, and of course this video is not generated. It searches the internet for videos like on YouTube or other video platforms and gives you links to them. So let's wait for it to complete the generation of the answer. And indeed, all the videos are from YouTube. So let's, or like most of them, let's click on the first one, for example. It'll open up here in YouTube. Okay. And that's pretty much it. That's how you can use the Copilot AI powered by Microsoft and its different features and what you can do with it.